Today we're going to talk about the trap of just one. Ever said, I'll just check one more message? Ever said, I'm just going to have one more bite? Ever said, I'm just going to check out one little TikTok, one little video, and then you find yourself trapped into the trap of just one? I once asked a student why he couldn't get himself to sleep at night. And he said, I just wanted to speak to a friend, text a friend. I just wanted to clean under my bed. I just wanted to reorganize my phone. And then all of a sudden time dragged. And that's really what happens, not just in pushing off sleep, but also that's what happens for people who want to do Teshuva. In these days of Teshuva, we know we have a deadline. We have till Yom Kippur to make sure that we are put in the book of the Tzaddikim. And we need to do Teshuva. And the reason why we don't do Teshuva is because we just said, I just need to take care of one more errand, just need to take care of one more tax issue, attend to one more thing, and we forget to focus on what we really need to focus on, our highest, most important priority. And dealing with boys in yeshiva, notice that sometimes the number one issue that these boys are facing are not the addictions. It's not the issues that they're dealing with. It's the problem that they're not able to get a good night's sleep. And why don't they have the ability to get a good night's sleep is the same reason why we have a hard time doing Teshuva, is because we push off. The word is called procrastination. Kids in school, they have homework to do. And the reason why they're not doing homework is because of procrastination. What is procrastination? So many people confuse procrastination with laziness. But procrastination is not laziness. See, laziness means that you don't want to do anything. But procrastination means I'll do anything except for the one most important thing. Literally everything else I'm willing to do, just not to do that one thing that I have to do, which is get to bed, do Teshuva, or do my homework. But we have to ask ourselves, why do students not do their homework? And why do boys and teenagers, why do they have a hard time getting to bed? Why do people have a hard time to Teshuva? You know why? What does this procrastination thing mean? That I'm do anything else except for the thing that I need to really do? It's that they believe that they only want to do just one text message, just one video. Same thing with dieting. I just want to try that one cookie. What ends up happening, you don't just finish that cookie, you end up finishing the whole sleeve of cookies. What ends up happening is that when you say, I'm going to just watch that one video, you end up watching 37 YouTube videos. You say, I'm going to just get busy with cleaning up and reorganizing, and all of a sudden you find yourself it's 3 a.m. What happened? It's just that you fell into the trap of just one. You see, the Ramban tells us this about the words Leman tzvot harava tatzeh me'ah, that those words mean that you have sometimes a person who doesn't really have an appetite for something that's that big, but when he tries it, he tries just one, all of a sudden he wants so much more. It was dormant. His nefesh, his desirable part of his soul was okay, but by giving it even just one taste of something, now it's starving. Now it's like a boy in yeshiva who's by the canteen at midnight starving. Why? Because you just took one little taste of food. So the reason why the person gets stuck into it is he tries just one, and that just one doesn't end at just one. And that's the way of the Yetzer Hara. You give him a finger and he takes your Rolex. What we need to do is, in order for us to be able to fight this, is to turn things around. And a lot of times we think that in order for us to be very successful, we need to do massive action. And that's not the truth. What we need to do is, we need to be able to do just 5 minutes of the thing that we really need to do. You see, when you start at just 5 minutes, just like there's momentum that you build in a negative way of being busy and procrastinating, going to sleep, doing homework, and doing Teshuva, there's also momentum in the positive way, where you start getting busy doing, you said just 5 minutes getting ready for bed, and all of a sudden you say to yourself, what? This is moving, I'm going in the right direction. Or 5 minutes getting to Teshuva, 5 minutes doing the learning Gemara, 5 minutes. The power of 5 minutes can change everything. Why? Because you tapped into the neshama. You tapped into your soul. You tapped into value. You tapped into self-restraint. You tapped into the godliness, and you say, wow, there's so much more of me. And that's the 5-minute rule. So remember, the trap of just one is the oldest trick of the book of the Yetzer Hara. And the way to fight it is just start. Just start 5 minutes. And when you start 5 minutes, all of a sudden, your homework, your sleep, your teshuvah, they just get done on its own.